Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels. Come take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.